In a beautiful village lived a boy named Adil. The village was full of life. People were laughing, children were playing, and birds were chirping. Adil walked out of the village streets and went toward the mountains. The cool breeze was blowing, and the rustling of trees could be heard. Among the mountains, Adil heard a strange sound. When he went closer, he saw a flying lion lying injured. There was blood on its golden wings. Adil cleaned the lion's wounds, tied bandages, and gave it water. The lion thanked him with its big eyes and slowly stood up. A few days later, when Adil was passing through the forest, a pack of wolves attacked him. Adil screamed in fear. Suddenly, a roaring sound came from the sky. That same flying lion came down, spreading dust with its wings, and chased away the wolves. The lion placed Adil on its back, spread its wings, and flew toward the sky. Adil was amazed to see the village, the river, and the mountains below. After that day, Adil and the flying lion became the best of friends. Whenever Adil felt lonely, the lion would come down from the sky and sit beside him.